So here I am performing a paint correction on this Tesla. The previous owner ran it through the car wash multiple times. He also has water spots, some bubbles behind his tint. We removed his chrome delete, and we're just getting this ready for the new owner. So the problem with paint correction is over the recent years, within about the last 10 years, the industry has become obsessed with paint correction and swirls. Now, what does that mean for the average consumer who daily drives their car, parks it outside in the sun every day, things of that nature? Well, it's actually really bad for it. So in this case, we have no choice but to do a light paint correction, but you can still see deeper scratches. Now, some detailers will sell you on the fact that you need to get all this out. That is not true. If you're going to be washing your car improperly, running it through the car wash again, you might as well leave some swirls in there, because what happens when you remove something that can't regrow or regenerate? It becomes thin. When you thin the paint out, you get swirls back even faster, water spots etch even quicker, and your paint just becomes fragile and frail. So it's kind of counterproductive. The ceramic coating is going to help, but it's not going to help all that much. You need as much clear coat on your vehicle as possible. And that's why it's important to have your vehicle ceramic coated right when you get it. Maybe do a single stage paint enhancement, clean off the paint, coat it, and then properly wash it. Otherwise, you're going to have a situation like this where the results aren't going to be, they're going to be a day and night difference, but it's not going to have that new car look. It's not recommended. There's people that would do it, but personally, I see how people take care of their cars. I would advise against correcting this aggressively, because in 3-4 months, the customer's going to make a mistake, end up running it through a car wash, washing it improperly, getting water spots, and all we're doing is having to remove more and more clear coat each time until there is no clear coat left. And if they sell the vehicle, the new owner's going to deal with that. Now, here we have this Mercedes-Benz, which is a 2007. We ceramic coated that last night. The paint was in great shape, way better than this. And this is a 2020. Just a difference of ownership. These people wash and wax their car. Yes, there were swirls, not as bad as this. This paint is also way better. It's premium, a lot thicker, a lot more durable. It's a ceramic clear coat. Mercedes paint is a lot more durable. This paint looks good for its age, and this paint will look better. However, there will be some deeper isolated scratches all throughout, even after we ceramic coat it. But it will be a day and night difference. We have a bunch of stuff going on over here, and we're going to get it to look its best.